Welcome to our Seneca software tutorial series. In this video, we are going to show you how to mark a dataset as a favorite in the Dataset Manager. Now, let's get started. First step, open the Dataset Manager. Second step, we can see our demo GmbH dataset. When we check it, many editor functions will appear. Third and final step, click on Mark as a Favorite, then click on the Seneca Home. Now, when you log into the company next time, you can immediately access this dataset. And that is how you can mark a dataset as a favorite in the Dataset Manager. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.